Hey everyone and welcome to today's topic. Amazon affiliate marketing is a great way for individuals to earn extra income by promoting products on Amazon.com. As an affiliate, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. With a vast selection of products and a large customer base, Amazon offers endless opportunities for affiliates to earn money. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of becoming an Amazon affiliate, selecting the right products to promote, building a website or blog, and optimizing your efforts to maximize your earnings. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience with affiliate marketing, this guide will provide valuable insights and strategies for earning money as an Amazon affiliate. It's worth noting that affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money, but it's not a quick rich scheme. It takes time and effort to build a profitable affiliate marketing business. So, it's important to have patience and be consistent in your efforts. Understanding the Amazon Affiliate Program. The Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates, is a way for individuals and websites to earn commissions by promoting products on Amazon.com. As an affiliate, you will be given a unique link to share with your audience. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission on that sale. Here's how the program works. You sign up for the program by visiting the Amazon Associates website and creating an account. Once you're approved, you'll have access to a range of tools and resources, including banners, text links, and product links to help you promote products. You'll be able to choose from millions of products on Amazon to promote to your audience. When someone clicks on one of your links and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission on that sale. You can track your earnings and commissions through your Amazon Associates account. It's important to note that Amazon sets the commission rate for products and it can vary depending on the category of products. Usually, it ranges from 1 to 10%. Also, Amazon has certain rules and regulations to follow, and you must disclose that you are an affiliate while promoting the products. Getting approved for specific products can be a bit more challenging. Amazon has a review process for certain high-value products, and you'll need to demonstrate that you have the audience and expertise to promote those products effectively. Another important aspect to consider is the cookie duration. When someone clicks on your affiliate link, a cookie is placed on their browser for a certain period of time. If they make a purchase within that time frame, you'll earn a commission. The cookie duration for Amazon Associates is 24 hours, which means that if a customer clicks on your link and makes a purchase within 24 hours, you'll earn a commission. However, if they click on your link and don't make a purchase until after 24 hours, you will not receive a commission for that sale. Additionally, Amazon has a wide range of categories to choose from, and the commission rate can vary depending on the category. For example, the commission rate for electronics is generally lower compared to fashion products. So, it's essential to do your research and select products that are most profitable for you to promote. Furthermore, it's important to note that Amazon has certain rules and regulations to follow as an affiliate. This includes compliance with the Federal Trade Commission's guidelines for endorsements and testimonials and Amazon's operating agreement. Failure to comply with these rules can result in your account being terminated. In conclusion, the Amazon Affiliate Program offers a great opportunity for individuals and websites to earn extra income by promoting products on Amazon.com. By understanding how the program works, signing up to become an affiliate, getting approved for specific products, understanding the commission structure, and cookie duration, you can maximize your earnings as an Amazon affiliate. It's also essential to stay compliant with Amazon's rules and regulations and to choose profitable products to promote. Choosing the right products to promote. One of the most important aspects of being a successful Amazon affiliate is selecting the right products to promote. Here are some tips for researching and identifying profitable products. A. Researching and identifying profitable products. Look at the best-selling products in different categories on Amazon. Analyze the competition and see what products they are promoting. Look at the product reviews and see what customers are saying about the product. Check the product's price, commission rate, and potential for repeat purchases. Be understanding the importance of product relevance. Promote products that are relevant to your audience and niche. Make sure the products you promote align with the content and theme of your website or blog. Consider the seasonality of products. For example, promoting summer clothing in the winter might not be as effective. C. Utilizing Amazon's tools and resources to find the best products. Amazon provides a variety of tools and resources to help you find the best products to promote. The Amazon Best Sellers page is a great starting point to see what products are currently popular on the site. The Amazon Associates Central provides detailed information about products, including commission rates, images, and product descriptions. Amazon's Product Advertising API allows you to programmatically access data on products, making it easier to find profitable products to promote. By researching and identifying profitable products, understanding the importance of product relevance, and utilizing Amazon's tools and resources, you can find the best products to promote and maximize your earnings as an Amazon affiliate. Building a website or blog. Having a website or blog is an important step in becoming a successful Amazon affiliate. Why having a website or blog is important for affiliate marketing. A website or blog allows you to promote products in a more professional and organized way. It allows you to build trust and credibility with your audience by providing valuable information and resources. A website or blog also allows you to track traffic and conversions, which is essential for optimizing your efforts. Choosing the right platform and hosting. There are a variety of platforms available for building a website or blog, such as WordPress, Shopify, and Wix. Choose the platform that best fits your needs and has the features and functionality you need. Make sure to choose a reliable hosting provider to ensure your website or blog stays up and running. Tips for creating content that will attract and engage potential customers. Create high quality, informative, and engaging content that provides value to your audience. Optimize your content for SEO to make it easier for people to find your website or blog. Use images, videos, and other multimedia to enhance the user experience and keep visitors engaged. Use calls to action to encourage visitors to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. In summary, building a website or blog is an important step in becoming a successful Amazon affiliate. By choosing the right platform and hosting, creating high-quality and engaging content, optimizing your content for SEO, and being consistent in your efforts, you can attract and engage potential customers and ultimately increase your earnings. Optimizing your website for conversions. Once you have your website or blog set up and have started creating content, it's important to optimize it for conversions. Here are some strategies for driving traffic to your website, creating effective affiliate links, and creating compelling product reviews and other content. Strategies for driving traffic to your website. Use SEO techniques to improve your website's visibility and search engine results. Leverage social media to promote your website and drive traffic to it. Use paid advertising to drive targeted traffic to your website. Build relationships with other websites and blogs in your niche to gain backlinks to your website. Best practices for creating effective affiliate links. Use text links instead of banners, as they tend to be more effective. Use specific, relevant keywords in the link text. Use tracking links to monitor the performance of your affiliate links. Use deep links to promote specific products instead of just linking to the homepage of the merchant's website. Use these tips for creating compelling product reviews and other content. Provide detailed information about the product, including its features and benefits. Include images and videos to enhance the user experience. Be honest in your reviews and disclose any potential downsides of the product. Use persuasive language and calls to action to encourage visitors to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. By optimizing your website for conversions is essential for increasing your earnings as an Amazon affiliate. By driving traffic to your website, creating effective affiliate links, and creating compelling product reviews and other content, you can increase the chances of visitors clicking on your affiliate links and making a purchase. It's important to be specific and in-depth when creating product reviews, use persuasive language and calls to action, and add affiliate links in all your content. Tracking your earnings and optimizing your efforts. Once you have your website or blog set up, have chosen the right products to promote, and have started creating content, it's important to track your earnings and optimize your efforts. Here are some tips for tracking your earnings, identifying and troubleshooting common issues, and optimizing your efforts. How to track your earnings and commissions. Use the Amazon Associates dashboard to track your earnings and commissions. Use tracking links to monitor the performance of your affiliate links. Use analytics tools, such as Google Analytics, to track website traffic and conversions. Identifying and troubleshooting common issues. Check your affiliate links to ensure they are working properly. Make sure you are in compliance with Amazon's operating agreement and the Federal Trade Commission's guidelines for endorsements and testimonials. Monitor your website's performance and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Tips for optimizing your efforts and maximizing your earnings. Continuously test and optimize your website and content for conversions. Use A/B testing to determine the best strategies for promoting products. Stay up to date on industry trends and changes in the Amazon affiliate program. Continuously monitor your earnings and make adjustments as needed. By tracking your earnings and optimizing your efforts, you can identify and troubleshoot common issues, and make adjustments to increase your chances of success as an Amazon affiliate. This can ultimately lead to higher earnings and a more successful affiliate marketing campaign. We hope this guide has provided valuable information and inspiration for those interested in starting their own affiliate marketing journey with Amazon. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but with patience and persistence, you can achieve success and earn extra income through Amazon affiliate marketing. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you liked our content. Please feel free to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time. Bye.